guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. For this week's video, we are going to be doing something pretty exciting. I feel like I said that in every video, but this is pretty exciting. So, as all of you probably know, last week Apple came out with a new update for the iPhone. It's the iOS 14 update. It literally changed how almost everything looked on your phone. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the iOS 14, how to use shortcuts, the extra apps that you need to make it look all pretty and aesthetic, and also just some fun tips and tricks that you guys might not know. If you are interested in any of that, just keep on watching. So the first thing you're obviously going to want to do is download the new update. Once you have iOS 14, you're going to see a few different things. If I scroll all the way to the right of my screen, I see my app library. So the new thing with iOS 14 that's kind of cool is that you don't have to have all of your apps on your screen. They're all inside this app library, and every app you use is in the app library whether or not it's on your home screen. The first thing that I did whenever I was trying to update my phone is I deleted all of my apps. I put them all in the app library and just had them sit there because I wasn't sure exactly what I wanted to do yet. Then what I did is I wanted to find my lock screen and my home screen before doing anything else. My lock screen is actually this really pretty picture. I got my lock screen picture off of It's Ewan on Instagram, which she has a highlight on her Instagram called Wallpapers, and I just kind of scrolled through those and I found some that I liked, so I decided to make one of those my lock screen. I like the nice city feel, if you know what I'm saying. For my home screen, I wanted something very minimalistic and simple, so I went to Pinterest, of course. Search like iPhone aesthetic backgrounds minimalistic, and you get a lot of cute, nice options. You can also just go on the internet and search for some cute options as well. This is the one I have on my home screen right now. It's just like this really cute kind of watercolor look. I just thought it was kind of cute and colorful, but also minimalistic, and we'll go with like a lot of different color schemes at the same time, so I really like that. And then if you still don't really know what you want to do or how you want your phone screen to look, you can always look on TikTok. That's a great place to kind of figure out your aesthetic. Just search iOS 14. There's thousands of examples you can scroll through on TikTok that you can find at least one aesthetic that you will like, and this is super good if you're just kind of lacking inspiration, so you can get some inspiration from these people. Okay, so now to talk about probably what y'all are actually here for, the apps that I used. So there are 3 very popular apps that I have heard about non-stop for this. I personally use Shortcuts and Widgetsmith for my phone to look the way that it does, and then I've also heard a lot of people talking about this app called Color Widgets. Widgetsmith and Color Widgets kind of do the same exact thing, but I think that they have like more of like a different look, so it just kind of depends on what kind of look you want. So first things first, what the heck is a widget? It's a fun word to say. What the heck is a widget? A widget is what you're seeing right now. It's where I have my calendar, the weather, my to-do list. Now that you know what a widget is, let's get into how to use Widgetsmith. So you're going to want to go to the Widgetsmith app. There are a ton of options whenever you go on Widgetsmith. You can create a photo option for your widget, or you can create like a calendar or to-do list type of option. I'm going to show you the few different varieties of what I ended up doing. So I'm going to show you how to create a small photo widget. It doesn't matter what size, it's all going to be exactly the same. So I would go to add small widget and then click on small 3. Click on that widget and then scroll all the way down to photo and album. Then you're going to want to make sure that you click the right album. What I did is I created a different album per picture that I was going to do for my widget. So you're going to want to go to your photos. If I wanted to have this pretty picture as a widget, then I would go to add to album, new album, and just say hey or something. Go back to Widgetsmith all the way to the bottom, click hey, and then I'll rename it. I'll say flowers, and then I saved it. And then to add it onto my screen, I'm just gonna go back to the upper left hand corner, click Widgetsmith, add widget, and then I'm gonna click flowers. And then it pops up with a flower widget. So that's how you do a picture for a widget. Now I'm going to show you guys how I did the calendar and the to-do list. I used a medium widget for this. So what I did is I pressed add medium widget, just like small, and then I clicked on it. They have tons of different options that you can choose from, which is really cool. For my calendar, I personally wanted day and date, so that's what I chose. All right, now we can pick our font. I like the way that New York looks, so I chose that one. And then you can pick your tint color. I just ended up doing white for my tint color, and then my background color is 70% gray. And then I renamed it Callie for calendar. And then I click save. So now that one is saved and all ready to go. Remember to add your widget, go to left hand screen, go to Widgetsmith, scroll over, add your widget, and then switch it to Callie. Perfect. All right, now to do the to-do list. A lot of people don't really know about this one, but I think this is the most handy widget that you can have on your phone. So I'm gonna open my reminders app and I'm gonna click add list and I'm gonna call it to-do list. I'm gonna make it purple, click done, and then I'm gonna go to that, press on it, and I'm gonna type out things that I need to do today. So I'm gonna say clean my room, film, video, edit, video, do homework. Just basic things for the sake of showing you guys this. All right, so once you have that list, you're gonna go back to the Widgetsmith app, add whatever size widget you want, and then as you scroll down, there should be an option for reminders. You can click which list you'd like. So I'm gonna do to-do list. For font, I like the New York font, and I chose white, and then for background color, I chose 70% again, so it would kind of match. Save that, and then you're just gonna wanna add it to your home screen like we did with all of the other ones. So medium widget, medium 4, because we didn't name it, because I'm awful. And then there's your to-do list. You can actually go into your to-do list and click on it, and then check them on and off as you go. And it will tell you in the upper right hand corner of your list how many things you have left to do. I haven't finished these things yet, so I'm gonna uncheck them. The Color Widgets app is literally the same thing, just a different look. So if you're interested in that, it'd be the same thing. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys how to use the app shortcuts. As you can see on my phone right now, I have different icons than the typical icons for certain apps. They're like this pretty light pink color. I just went on Pinterest and I found this girl who literally made so many of them, and I just liked the way they looked. I'll go ahead and show you guys where I got mine. I actually follow her board. So the creator is Joanna Lorengo, and they are all the same exact pink color, so it kind of looks very nice and matchy-matchy, which I like. She created a ton of different apps, so I am sure that most of the apps that you use will be on here. I just kind of used all of hers. What I did is I screenshotted them and then I saved it for later, and then I made my shortcuts. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. So you're gonna wanna go to the Shortcuts app, then press the plus sign. For this one, we are going to be opening an app, so I'm gonna click Open App, and I'm going to choose YouTube. Sorry, the lighting is really going out on me here, so bear with me. So click the 3 little dots and you can name your shortcut. I'm gonna name it YouTube. Then you can click add to home screen. That's how you get the aesthetic look that we're going for. So I'm gonna type in YouTube again, and then this button that you choose right here, you can choose your icon. So I'm gonna press choose photo, and this is my icon right here for YouTube. I'm gonna center it, choose add. It's on my home screen twice now because I already had it on there, but you guys kind of get the gist now. So for all the other apps on my phone, I went through that exact same process, and if you want a different picture, it's no problem. It's very easy to replace once you have it done. So once you get the hang of it, it's really not that bad, and it's pretty easy to do, and it looks pretty. So that's the goal, right? Also wanted to show you guys another really cool thing. If I tap on my iPhone twice, it's going to take me to YouTube, which is super cool. And if I tap on it 3 times, it'll take me to YouTube Studio. I thought that was really cute. That's just what I chose to do. To do that, if you're interested, just go to Settings, Accessibility, and then go to Touch. If you go to the bottom, you can click on Back Tap, and you can choose things for your double tap or triple tap. There are different apps there, and you have to go to the Shortcuts app in order to do that. So you have to create a shortcut for the app, kind of like we did earlier, and then would be an option for back tap. Hold up, let me get some light. Let there be light.
Dark, it's dark in here. Whoa, whoa.
I feel like that's a little bit better. I don't know about y'all, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully I could help you out with your iOS 14 journey. If you did enjoy this video and it helped you out, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And also, if you'd like to see my face in your subscription box every Thursday, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Anyways, I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye guys, peace out.